if you'd had your shirt on, you would have been twinsies. He had a really lime green
Oh, what's it?
one.
I've got a lime green one in the back.
Oh.
And my bike on the back as well. Look.
You've seen when you're cycling, haven't you?
Well, exactly.
Absolutely. Right, have you been with us before?
I have a while ago though.
Okay. Toilet block is in the same place.
Yep.
Every other toilet is open. Every other shower is open.
Right.
That's all our cleaning times.
Cool.
Okay. When we clean, we leave the parent and child room open, and that's next door to the dishwash, which is on this side facing us.
Right.
And then you've got your barrier code just here, and
Yep.
your Wi-Fi code is here.
Wonderful.
And if you put an awning up, just some guide for you and a guide for us.
Sure.
Okay. And Alan will take you through the barrier and sort you out with your pitch.
So you've been before.
Yes. Yeah.
On my system, that list automatically. Codes in there. Anything you like to aim for, if it's available. Shady, sunny.
Not worried. Not worried. Not bothered. Just pick us a bigger hole for that one.
It's a big one, isn't it?
Yeah.
Somewhere easy to get on.
That would be brilliant.
Well, I'm going to stab at number 50 as long as it's not been used by the time we get there.
Fab.
If you see something on the way and you think, oh, I quite like that, just because I took the awning, I'll stop.
Welcome back, and don't worry, this is not an advert for Clark. I'm just waiting for that little red light up there to go green, and then I can finish off packing up. I still have mirrors and locks and all the rest of it to fit. Then I'm off to Devizes Caravan and Camping Club, just to spend a day or two down there in order to try and put all the holiday footage together. So here we go. Now en route you'll also find Avebury. Avebury's got all the usual suspects, apart from the fact you can spend several hours walking around the stones. There's a museum, there's somewhere nice to go and have a sit down meal in a pub there. There's shops, there's a car park, and Silbury Hills, also not that far away, also by foot. But there is a lay-by up ahead, and I'm gonna have to pull in. You'll see why. Okay, we're off again. Fundamental error. The SD card on that camera was full, so I've had to delete all the files, to which I've already copied. Anyway, nothing behind me, so I can pull out and away we go. There's the benefit to that backup camera, by the way, in so much that you can actually see what's on the road. So anyway, the plan is, so we're on the way to Devizes Caravan and Camping Club site. This one is not too far away for me, so I'm on my way to spend a day or three there, where I can put together the footage of all the holiday sequence stuff without any interruption from kids and wife and so on. Not that they interrupt me, of course, but you know what I mean. So, the nice thing about this particular site is that you will be seeing hopefully, some drone footage, and I can show you the caravan site itself as well. So the site itself is situated right next to the canal, and the canal's one of these ones that operates, and has barges and things on it on holidays. It is also famous for the Cane Hill locks. And this is our first sight of the canal. And one of the locks is just over to the left hand side there. But we go all the way through and out, keeping the canal parallel on the right hand side, down the dual carriageway, past the holiday centres where you can hire a barge, and then all the way through, past these lights, to the village of Saint, where the caravan site is. It's a CCC sign on the right hand side, but it's yeah, this one's just checks nothing coming round this corner. Should be alright. And it's not that far up here that you turn right again, and I think it might be just in front of that rover. Oh no, there it is, the white sign. No, it's in front of that white van. Please remain in your vehicle upon arrival. Okay. Turn it round because the dog should be coming around this side to come towards us. Hello!
Hello there.
Name
Well,
was...
see you come in, can't they?
Well, I-
Which isn't that list automatically. Codes in there. Anything you like to aim for, if it's available. It's in the shady, sunny. near
Not
facilities.
worried, not worried. Not bothered, just pick us a bigger roll for that one.
It's a big one, isn't it?
Yeah,
Somewhere easy to get on.
that would be brilliant.
Well, I'm going to stab at number 50 as long as it's not been used by the time we get there.
Fab.
If you see something on the way and you think, oh, I quite like that, just because it's 2 on the horn and not stop. 50's down the bottom corner, so a
Bottom
little bit
corner?
further away.
No, that's fine.
Yeah,
It's alright.
I'll lift this barrier.
Thank you. Okay.
That's easy enough to get in. Or...
No, I'm quite happy with either of those. I did have a thought. Which way is south? South?
Well, you got satellite.
Yeah. Which way did it point? Satellites? That way. Over there will do then. If I have that one there, I can point that way.
Sort of over that way.
No, that's... Yeah, that'll do then. As long as I can get over the trees, should be alright. Yeah.
If not, come and let us know.
Well, there we go. It's not a massive pitch. I'll bring it on that corner. So I'm just going to unhook a motor mover it in because it's a bit close to try and reverse it into that. So there we go. And would you believe it? When I was out, I hardly had to get the drone in the air because this person's wanted to get by that bridge. Just watch this. But whilst I was up there, might as well go and have a look. There's the site on the left hand side and you can see how close it is to the canal itself. And as I fly in from another angle, look at the dog walk area. Poochies will get spoiled. If you do, rabbit will be on the menu tonight. Well, that's it for this one. We hope you found it useful, and please don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell.